Welcome back to Fission Creations. We have been receiving many amazing comments on our previous science project videos. So we are back with yet another science project video, and its title is Bio-CNG, which is a clean and renewable fuel for our future. This is a small part of a large project which will be explained in our further upcoming videos. This project has won first prize in school level and has also got selected for the CBSE Regional Exhibition as well as All India Inter-AECS Exhibition. So let's start. So first, the wet waste collected from our homes goes to the food waste mixing unit where it is turned into a thick slurry. This slurry helps the anaerobic bacteria to decompose it faster. Now from here, this slurry is sent to the digester where the millions of anaerobic bacteria decompose it and turn it into biogas. Now when the biogas is produced, the lid of the digester comes up like this. The remaining slurry goes to the slurry tank where it is further processed and turned into a manure. Now this manure can be used in farming and gardening. Now the biogas that is produced here is a mixture of many gases like methane and carbon dioxide. And the methane content is just 40 to 50%. So from here this gas is sent to the purification unit where the other gases are removed and the methane content directly goes up to 90 to 95%. Now from here this gas is sent to the high pressure compressor where it is compressed and turned into Bio-CNG. Now this Bio-CNG can be filled into cylinders and transported to various fuel pumps across the city. Thank you so much for watching. This Bio-CNG model is just a small part of my bigger vision for creating a more sustainable city. If you enjoyed this project and want to see more exciting ideas like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel Fission Creations, share this video with your friends and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. Together, let's learn, create and build a cleaner future. Thank you.
Welcome to Fission Creations, your ultimate creative playground.
Are you ready to unlock your creativity? On this channel, you'll learn how to make awesome things from scratch. Whether it's foam creations, sunboard crafts, or transforming simple materials into stunning props.
From mound wood crafts and fancy dress costumes to building your own Arduino projects, there's something here for everyone who loves to create.
Want to make science projects that are fun and educational? Or maybe you're looking to learn how to cook some delicious dishes with a special Malayalam voices.
Ever wanted to create stunning short films or play with some green screen tricks?
We'll show you how to do that too. This channel is more than just tutorials. It's a community of creators. Whether you're here to learn
Share.
or get inspired, we can't wait to see what you make.
So if you are ready to start creating amazing things,
Hit that subscribe button and join the fun.